In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watcher in ClickUp. ClickUp is an excellent task management platform designed to help teams collaborate and stay organized. One of its key features is the ability to add watchers to tasks, allowing team members to stay informed about updates or changes without directly being assigned the task. If you're new to this feature or need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the complete process step by step. Let's get started. First, log in to your ClickUp workspace and navigate to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your tasks and projects. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, locate the task you'd like to add a watcher to. You can do this by scrolling through your task list or using the search bar at the top of your screen. The search bar is especially handy if you're working in a large workspace with many tasks. Simply type in a keyword or the task name to find it quickly. Once you've identified the task, click the checkbox next to it. This will select the task and highlight it, making it clear which one you're working with. Now look at the menu bar that appears after selecting the task. Here you'll find a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More menu. Click on it to open additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Watchers option. This will bring up a list of teammates who are available to be added as watchers for this specific task. Take a moment to review the list. It will display all team members currently in your workspace. To add a watcher, simply click on the name of the person you want to include. If the person you'd like to add isn't listed, don't worry. You can manually type in their email address to invite them as a watcher. When you do this, ClickUp will send them an invitation, and once they accept, they'll be added to the task as a watcher. After selecting or inviting the individual, confirm your choice to finalize the process. Once confirmed, the person will now be a watcher for the task. This means they'll receive updates and notifications whenever there are changes or comments on the task, keeping them in the loop without assigning them additional responsibilities. And that's it. Adding watchers in ClickUp is a simple yet powerful way to enhance collaboration and ensure everyone stays informed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.